How's it going, everyone? Welcome to My Future Success. This is the video where I recap at the end of the day every single buy and sell signal that was illuminated and show you the exact potential profit you could have made just with trading one contract here on InQ, trading with these metrics. Now, guys, in a moment, I'm going to give a shout out to literally everyone who just joined in the last 24 hours and give them a biggest level of respect, because all of those people literally just saw these signals on their charts this morning, and I'm getting emails of people making hundreds if not thousands of dollars just today alone. You guys, if you didn't see my video of my personal live trade that I recorded this morning, taking out $400 in literally 6 seconds, absolutely incredible. Take a look at that in the description below and follow along with the education that I'm giving to everyone here as many days a week as possible. Now, you guys, I get the question, Justin, do you have a preferred time frame, 2-minute or 1-minute time frame? And why do you do some videos on the 2-minute and some videos on the 1-minute time frame? Guys, it really depends on when you're trading the market and how the price action is actually performing around it. Now, is it wrong to say for you to switch from 1 minute to 2-minute during the day? Not at all. Guys, if the market is like moving a lot in the morning and price action is larger, go on the 2-minute time frame. If it comes out later on and starts consolidating a bit more and price action isn't moving as much, then go to the 1-minute time frame. You know, use this system to cater to exactly when you're going to be on the charts. And there's a reason why I'm going to start on the 2-minute time frame right here for you guys and go over every single one of these signals, the great entries, the profits. I'm going to also go over when it doesn't work. You know, guys, nothing's 100%. My name's Justin. I'm the founder of these metrics. Will I ever say I built a 100% system? No. Do I lose trades? Yes. You guys, that is just it. You will not find a more transparent YouTuber anywhere at all. You guys, it's literally why I record my personal live trades, even for the past almost 2.5, 3 weeks, showing my prop from accounts through Take Profit Trader. And I have so far, hopefully, gone 11 for 11 winning trades, and I haven't had a losing trade in 2.5 weeks. Will I have a losing trade? Of course, it's just part of the game. But real quick, guys, before I dive into this, I want to give a shout out to at least half the people that have joined, and I'm going to dive right into these charts. So if you're new to these metrics, new to my channel, I'm going to pack so much education to this, where literally the second you grab this, you're going to be able to implement this right away. Right away. All right, guys. Tomster, Russell, Mike, Murray, Chris, William, Pamela, Brent, Adam, Danias, Dallin, Eli, Matthew, Ivan, Warren, Alexis, Justin, Ken, Andre, and Jesse, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I really appreciate it. All these guys did was actually just go over here to My Future Success. This is in the description below. Guys, lifetime access. Don't ever pay monthly service fees for things like this. And honestly, every upgrade that I do for these metrics, there's a reason why this is V4. Everyone who's been with me for the last 3 years has never paid for an upgrade on these metrics, and I'm here to make these better and better and better every time an upgrade comes. But go over here, do I want this? Take a look at over 75 5-star ratings over here and just see if any of these comments relate to yourself in your trading career, because there's a lot of people having amazing success. I literally just got 3 certificates sent to me this last week of people passing their prop from accounts. So congrats to you guys. You know who you are. So right now, let's look at this. So market open, 2-minute time frame, even pre-market, entry taken out, perfect. I want to make sure I have these settings on here. So 2-minute time frame, let's adjust this. 2-minute time frame, I want you to set this from 20 to 40. This means on the 2-minute time frame, we're taking out 10 points in the market each time. Okay, 2-minute 40, which is 10. 1 minute, which I'll show in a second, is 20, and that's taking out 5. Entry, exit. Right here, you guys can tell. How do I do this? How do I make my entries? Right when this candle closes at the end of the 2 minutes, you can see my live videos. I literally do like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, enter. I enter right at this close. Right afterwards, this is a 2-minute trade for 10 points. That's how fast that happens. Guys, trading with just one contract, that's $200 right there, $200. Again, right afterwards, buy signal gets hit, another $200. So far, 1 winning trade, 2 winning trades, 3 winning trades. Was there one trade that didn't work out? Yeah, it's actually this one right here, and it's totally okay. If you guys get a buy signal, enter in. This is what I'm doing. If at any time this profit wave, you guys see this green and red wave here? If the white dots at candle close outside the profit wave, just like this one here, just get out of that trade. This is 11-point loss. So you've already been up, if you're trading this, how much? Do the math here together with me. 10, 20, 30 points. You lost 11. Let's just say it's 10. So now you're at 20. Then you get into this one. You enter in, make another one. Now you're up 30 points. Then you get into another trade. This is just live right now. Another sell signal. Come down, you just won another one. So how much, and I'll go over these right here. This is actually on the 1 minute time frame. 10 points. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50. So that's 50 points right there. How much did you lose on this? Displaying really good risk management. I'm just going to say 10. So that's 40 points. You guys realize 40 points trading with InQ with one contract is $800? You guys realize that is, now that's taking every single buy and sell signal on this chart. $800, and you literally invested into yourself one time for $99. This is why people are passing accounts and pulling out more money and saying this is the best investment they could have made for their trading career. Guys, that is it right there. $800. 2 minute time frame. Now, let's go to the 1 minute time frame. I get comments all the time. Justin, do you just cherry pick the 2 minute or the 1 minute time frame? I hate that comment because you guys, you have to do analysis on when you're actually trading and figure out what time frame to be on. And let me show you exactly how I do that right now, so you can stay on time frames that work best for you. This morning, my exact trade, you guys, that I made this morning that you can look at was right at this point, right here. Sorry, guys, it was 7, right here. This was the trade. I came in, I entered right at this point. This was at 6. Oh, no, that wasn't it. I'm sorry, you guys. My trade, I ended up going short. It was 6. Oh, what time frame are we on here? Sorry, guys. Let me go ahead and move this over here a little bit so I can show these. 10, 7. I was on this morning. It was actually a little bit later. I think it was this trade right here. I'll have to go back at it. Sorry about that, you guys. I ended up entering in a little bit later this morning on a sell signal, and it capitalized straight down. But let's look at this. Let's look at this again from market open. 6:30 right here. 6:30 is right at this point. Sell signal illuminated, right? Let's go ahead and adjust this. 1 minute time frame. We got to go to 20. We're taking out 5 points. Perfect. Sell signal in, crush through, entry done. Winning trade. Buy signal, take profit, winning trade. If you are in my one-on-one training videos, you are now, after what I am teaching these people, there's traders today that just pulled out 50 points. What you can do with this is ride this up the whole wave until this comes below this profit wave and then close out. That's a 51 point profit, not 5, 50. So that is a massive gain. Let's keep going through these. Another sell signal right here. Took a minute, blasted through, another win. 1, 2, 3, 4 wins. Another buy signal right here, went up, closed out again, another win. Sell signal right here, closed out, another win. Did this one here at this point lose? Sure, let's look at it. Let's go over some losing trades. Guys, this is real. Like, let's not make this up at all. You want transparency, you're getting it. You know who you are if you're commenting. So right here, entry, where do you exit? Opposite wave of profit wave. With this 11 point loss, sure, it's okay. Get back out and take the next trade. Entry, exit, you just won again. Entry, exit, you won again. Guys, how many winners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 winners and 1 loss so far. 8 winners, 1 loss. Let's look at this again. Let's go over here. I've marked this up even more. Was there a couple signals today that went the other way? Sure, absolutely. Let's take a look. Buy signal, entry, you would have had to close out. Okay, that's all right. Next signal, sell here. Did the market switch on us? Sure, go ahead and close it out. That's all right. Next signal, entry, target hit, done. Entry, target hit, done. This did actually come below, so this actually ended up closing out. Did we get these signals here? Sure. Buy signal, did this one end up panning out? No, this had to close out for 8. That's okay. Well, our next signal here ended up winning. So one trade, and let's add this up. Let's literally add this up right here for you guys and see what happened. How many winning trades? 1 trade, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So let's do this. 11 trades times 5 points is 55 points. Let's look at if you had followed this to a T, how much you had lost. Let's do 11. So we got to go here, minus 11 equals, let's go over here, minus 13, minus 13, minus 13. Oh, let me go back here real quick. Sorry, guys. This was at 34, I believe it was. So 31. 31 minus 13. And we had one over here, minus 8. So you're saying that the worst case scenario on this video, if I did my math right, and please someone double check me here, you still would have been up profit about $100 to $200. Is that right? I'm going to go through this one more time here just to be consistent because I want to show this. We had 55. 55 was our winning, and how much was our loss? It was 8 plus 13 plus, sorry guys, I can't do math. 8 plus 13 plus 13, and it was plus 11. Plus 11. 45. How much was our winning? 55. 10 points. With one contract, you still made $200 on the 1 minute time frame from very start to very finish today, taking every single buy or sell signal. So you got to ask yourself and say, all right, can you make money on the 1 minute, 2 minute time frame? Yes. Is there some days that work better on the 2 minute than the 1 minute time frame? Absolutely. Guys, what I would like to see, if you end up seeing chop like this and there's not a lot of price action, I want you to go to the 2 minute time frame and just look to go higher. So what you can look at too is there's a lot of these over here that the price action, you guys can see this is 20 and 40. These candles are engulfing 20 points. These candles here are engulfing 20 points. So that's where you can look at it to be able to switch over. Now over trading, you guys, I don't like to trade anything past 11. So my sweet spot that I personally trade myself, you guys are still on here, this is gonna be one of the best educational videos. I do not like to get on until about 7:30, which is right at, let's go over here, 7:30. So 7:30 to 11. This is my sweet spot. This is where if I had to take trades in the market, this is where I'll be looking. How many of these won? 1, 1, 1. That was one loss. 1 there, and 1 and 1. So did it actually get rid of a lot of the chop on the couple signals that didn't pan out? Yeah, it actually did. So if you want my suggestion, again, not financial advice, wait the first hour. Wait the first hour from market open, and then don't trade the last hour to hour and a half of market close. You do that on the New York session, you follow these metrics on the 2 minute time frame. I want you to go back and look at every single one of these signals and see exactly how this panned out. And then go to the 1 minute time frame. And to be honest, pick a time frame that you like. You know, just because I show videos on the 1 minute, 2 minute, I specifically entered in on the 1 minute time frame this morning because price action was not engulfing 20 points. That's specifically why I was doing it. I saw this price action here, and this price action, I believe this was exactly, I did a short position this morning. This was not engulfing 20 points. See this 20 points? There's no candles. That's why I was on the 1 minute time frame and just took it out real quick. If price action goes a little bit bigger and starts getting bigger movements, that's where you can go to the 2 minute time frame, and that's where you can switch over. So I hope you guys find a lot of education in this video. Again, transparency is my number one thing I want to have on here and show honesty. But this is a recap of today's trading. Every single win, every single loss, percentages, and if I'm not mistaken, 2 minute time frame I believe was $500 max profit, and 1 minute time frame was still $100 profit, just taking every buy and sell signal. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. God bless.